This is a Parrot 9200 in a Golf R32 Mark V. We've used a cradle for the iPhone. It's all controlled from the steering wheel. So to access the iPod,
phone book,
we get our menu up and we can now,
telephone,
using the phone buttons,
iPhone,
browse the iPod. And you can do your albums, artists, bring up an alphabetical list and select the one that you want to play. Volume, track control, phone book, everything is done from the steering wheel. Let's go back to the factory radio, simple press on the steering wheel and it's on the radio.